you thinking of learning te reo but don't know where to start? Perhaps you're trying to keep up with your kids in whānau. Want to be able to converse in basic te reo? Whether you want to use te reo Māori at home with the kids or in the workplace, our Aotearoa Reo Māori He Pikapau program has been designed to have you speaking the basics in no time. You'll start with how to correctly pronounce Māori words, names and places. We'll teach you basic greetings and how to introduce yourself, as well as how to understand and follow tikanga. Our kaiako are experienced with teaching beginners, and you'll be with other students who have the same aspirations to learn te reo Māori as you do. Across 38 weeks, you'll surround yourself with te reo Māori through in-class teaching and through collaborative working environments in noho marae and wānanga. We've designed the program around busy lifestyles, so if you've got the time, we've got the know-how and offering it to you fees-free. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.